video. Today I'm super excited because we talk about Neringa Križiūtė. She is a content creator and body influencer. So don't forget, share and subscribe, modern artist. Let's start. Neringa embraces her curves and empowers others to feel confident in their own skin. Whether she's flaunting fashionable bodysuits or creating new looks, her designs are all about celebrating the diversity of body shapes. Next video. With a growing fan base, Neringa Križiūtė is an inspiration to women worldwide, reminding them that fashion has no size limits. Follow Neringa's journey as she continues to break barriers in fashion, and make sure to stay tuned to Maimona Outfit Official for more curvy model stories. Thank you for watching. If you're inspired by Neringa Križiūtė's incredible journey as a curvy model and fashion designer, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more empowering stories. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest from plus-size curvy actors.